Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, October the 27th, 2023. Already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one. Yes, you are interested in this one, the 4 stars Sudoku, and number 7343. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 2s. Alright, let me mark this. We have here 3 3s, 3 4s, 1 5, 1 6, 2 7s, 3 8s, and 4 9s. So the 2 and the 9s are in majority. Can I start with the 2? Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 2 in this big square. Should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left with 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left with 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 2, alright. 2 2, cannot continue with the 2. How about the 9 then? 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there, 9 9, okay. And then 1 2 3 4 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 9, okay. Then the 9 in this column, the 9 in that column. So the column between in the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in row below, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be here. Alright, now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this row. So no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. 7, okay. Then 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Well. And now 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those. Alright, so we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then need a 4 here. 5, 6, 7 again. 5, 6, 7. Well, the 6 should be here. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Need a 7 here also. Okay. In this row, we need a 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, so no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square. Should be for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. Alright. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Okay. Well. Need a 1 here. 7, need a 7 there. 3, need a 3 here. 3, need a 3 there. 5. I'm thinking. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there, and I need a 4 here. Alright. Come on. Need an 8 here. 8 here, need an 8 there. Need an 8 here. Need also 8 here. Come on. 8. No 7 here. 7, 8. Need a 1 here. 1. Come on. This is taking too long. 5. What's happening? Let me put some numbers. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 here. 3. Need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Same for the 9. 9 in this column. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. 9 in the first row, so no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 goes together with the 3 as a pair. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, so the third column, only 2 places left. The 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left here. 1 and the 6, okay. Need to wait. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only place left. The 3 should be there. 7, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 7 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 is 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5, 5, need a 5 here, okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8, and the other pair in this big square, other numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6, let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 6. So here we have a pair, 9 and a 3. So here should be the 5 and 8. Okay. Interesting. 1 and a 6. That means 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes and there. These 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers 1 is missing. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. The 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the mod. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. And the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with a 5 and an 8. We have an 8 now in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 5 then. Here we have still 1 and a 6. Here we have a pair 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. Okay. Here should be also the 1 and a 6. Let me mark this. Okay. Now. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 now in this second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 9 goes there. Need a 9 there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the column next, no 9 there. And the only place left for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now. So this can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 6. In this column we have 1 box left. Should be the 1. 1 box left in the last row for number 6. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. Then 1 in the first row. 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be, and a 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the mother. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, third row. So the row between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes. And there, finish in 14 minutes. Cannot believe this. Faster than the previous Sudoku. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.